Hello, it's almost dinner time and today I'll be having boiled chicken breasts with some steamed vegetables. So first of all, I need to start boiling the chicken breasts because that would take about 45 minutes to an hour. So first thing I'm doing is I'm placing chicken breasts in the pot, putting the heat on, and adding some water. We'll add quite a lot of water because later on the broth that comes out is actually quite tasty and can be drunk in a mug. I'm also going to season the water with some black pepper and some salt. I will use quite a lot of pepper because it's great when it's peppery and quite spicy because of that. Okay, and perhaps a couple of pinches of salt. I don't want to make it too salty because I want to drink the broth later on. Okay, so the broth is now seasoned. I'll just cover it up, and when it starts to boil I will just reduce the heat and set the timer for about 45 minutes. The chicken breasts are boiling quite rapidly, so I will move them to a smaller heat. Hop. And in terms of my vegetables, I will going to have some of this broccoli, the remainder of my kale, a large sweet potato, and I will also make some lardons made from pork belly. I've got about 50 grams here. Boiling, boiling, boiling. I also have a tip for preparation of broccoli. So if you think your broccoli is a little bit wilted, just place it in a bowl of water and keep it there for at least 15 minutes and more. After that time, it should become nice, fresh and succulent. It's less than 15 minutes for the chicken breast to get ready, so I will start with the lardons and the vegetables as well. So the first thing I will do, I will place the lardons in a small pan and I put them onto a low heat. The lardons are on the pan. I will just add a pinch of salt to season them. Have already pre-sliced my sweet potato. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just put my veg into the pot. So this is my steamer. I'm going to put the pot on, the heat on. It already has some water in there. The first thing I will do, I will place kale in the steamer. And then the sweet potatoes. Now cover this. I will add the broccoli a little bit later. For the broccoli, I'm only using 3 pieces of it, and I have refrigerated the rest of it. The lardons are progressing well. I didn't have a matching cover for this pan, so I'll just use this one. The timer has just sounded for the chicken breasts, so I am going to switch them off. I've also added the broccoli into the pot. I will increase the heat a little bit so that I've taken the chicken breasts out of the pot. I have roughly cut one of them, and I've also cut some coriander. And since my lardons look pretty much ready, I will add the chicken breast and coriander to the pan with the lardons. One other thing I did was placing some of the chicken broth into a cup. I am now going to season it a little bit with coriander. If you have parsley at hand, parsley would be perfect here. And I'm now going to add the rest of the coriander into the pan with the chicken and lardons. This is how it looks. The chicken has browned. It's great. I think this is ready to serve. I'm switching the heat off and I'm covering it with the cover so that it keeps moist. Food is ready! Now, what's my opinion about this concoction? Let's try with the meat. The chicken is good, although it's a bit hard. And now the question is, should I have cooked it longer, or actually should I have switched it off earlier? Maybe you can advise me on this. The lardons? Lardons are great. Broccoli soft, but with a little bit of crunch remaining. Sweet potato, soft and sweet. And kale, soft but not overcooked. Good, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button or leave a comment below. See you next time! Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button or leave a comment below.